Rivers State, following the expiration of the 3 years tenure of the chairman and councillors of the 23 local government council on the 17th of June 2023, I lawfully instituted a caretaker committee to temporarily administer the 23 local government areas, pending when the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission will conduct the local government election in the state. However, to entrench sustainable democracy and good governance in the country local government system, the Supreme Court of Nigeria, by its judgment in suit SC/CV/343/2024, AG Federation versus AG Abia and 25 others, delivered on the 11th of July 2024, effectively outlawed the administration of our local government council with unelected officers and made several orders, including the immediate stoppage of allocation to local government council without democratically elected local government council. Following Mr. President's intervention, the period for compliance with the Supreme Court's judgment was graciously extended by 3 months, which will expire on the 31st of October 2024. On the strength of this positive development, I directed the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission to take definite steps to conduct local government election for the 23 local government council of Rivers State. Acting per this directive, the RISEC has since fixed and concluded all arrangements to conduct the local government council election on Saturday, the 5th of October 2024. The legal impulse of RISEC to conduct the local government election was further strengthened by the judgment of the Rivers State High Court in suit number PHC/2696/CX/2024, delivered on the 4th of September 2024, which positively directed the Governor of Rivers State, the government of Rivers State, and the RISEC to conduct the scheduled local government election on the 5th of October 2024 using the 2023 Independent National Electoral Commission Voters Register already in the custody of RISEC. As of today, RISEC has expressed and demonstrated concrete and verifiable capacity and readiness to conduct the 2024 Rivers State local government election on the 5th of October 2024. As of today, 17 out of 18 registered political parties, including the All Progressive Congress, have expressly and actively demonstrated their willingness to participate by filing in candidates with RISEC for the election. As of today, over 10 states in Nigeria have conducted local government council election using the 2023 INEC Voters Register since the Supreme Court judgment, and Rivers State cannot be an exemption. As the Governor of Rivers State, I swore to uphold the Constitution of Nigeria and abide by the rule of law and the principles of democracy. Any failure on my part to conduct the local government election would be a clear disobedience of the Supreme Court's mandatory order that no state must administer the local government council in Nigeria with unelected officers, with the attendant consequences of the state and the people being denied the statutory allocation due the 23 local government area of the state. The Rivers State government would also be acting in contempt of the judgment of the High Court of Rivers State in suit number PHC/269/CS/2024, which restrained the governor, the state government, RISEC, from shuttling the conduct of the local government election scheduled for October 5th, 2024. Consequently, on the strength of the provision of the Constitution of Nigeria, as amended, the Supreme Court judgment in CS/CV/343/2024 and the judgment of the High Court of Rivers State in suit number PHC/269/CS/2024, I hereby reiterate that the Rivers State government is irrevocably committed to conducting the local government election on the 5th day of October 2024. Against this background, I wish to assure every resident that the election for the 23 local government council in Rivers State shall be held on Saturday, the 5th, 2024, throughout the state. The state government has provided the necessary fund and logistics for RISEC, which has assured me that it is fully prepared and ready to conduct and deliver a fair, free, and credible local government council election as scheduled. Therefore, I wish to advise and request all registered voters to go to their polling unit to exercise their franchise by voting for the candidate of their choice, as security personnel would be there to maintain order and ensure peaceful poll as a matter of constitutional duty. We are leaving no stone unturned to enable all registered voters to travel to their communities to participate, peacefully exercise their civil responsibility at their polling unit. To this end, I hereby declare Thursday and Friday, the 3rd and 4th of October 2024, a public holiday for citizens to travel to their communities and participate in the election. Furthermore, I hereby place a total restriction on vehicular and human movement into, within, and outside the state and the local government areas from midnight, the Friday, 4th October 2024, to 5 p.m. on Saturday, 5th of October 2024, except for persons and vehicles who are on election and other essential duties. The police and other security agencies have clear directive from the State Security Council to arrest, prosecute any person or group who attempt to violate the restriction on human and vehicular movement on election duty. I wish to appreciate the State Security High Command for their cooperation and commitment to effectively secure the state and ensure a peaceful, trouble-free local government election. As citizens, we all owe our state the commitment to support the RISEC to succeed in delivering on its constitutional duty to conduct a free, fair, and credible local government council election, to usher in a new set of democratically elected leaders to administer the 23 local government council in Rivers State. Thank you, and may God bless Rivers State.